Growing businesses need more than just data. They need tools that transform information into insights. Acumatica Business Intelligence, Reporting and Analytics is native to all Acumatica editions, accessible from any device, and designed to move your organization forward together. Here's how Acumatica brings it all together in one place. Every tool you're about to see connects to a single source of truth. That means your team works from the same accurate, timely, and complete data. Here's what's included. Generic inquiries give you flexible, real-time data pulls. Dashboards and pivot tables put that data to work visually. Anomaly detection flags unexpected outliers before they become bigger problems. Import scenarios streamline data intake. Business events automate alerts and workflow steps when specific actions or conditions occur. OData connectivity lets you push data to external BI tools. Report Designer handles your operational documents, from invoices to pick lists, and Financial Reporting delivers pre-built customizable statements. Let's take a closer look at each one. Acumatica provides robust, out-of-the-box generic inquiries for every module, putting data at your fingertips with no additional fees. Personalize your experience, add or remove columns, sort and filter, or instantly create pivot tables without code. Need analytics in another system? No problem. Securely expose generic inquiries to external tools like Microsoft Power BI using OData feeds. Our generic inquiries feature AI-powered tools, unlocking greater value. Enable anomaly detection to identify outliers, such as unexpected margins. The system guides your team to investigate, comment, and take action immediately. Plus, the AI assistant analyzes inquiries to answer your complex business questions on demand, like identifying your top sellers. Set up business events to monitor actions, data changes, or conditions that require attention. Automation lets you send alerts or update records when business events occur, reducing manual effort and driving faster decisions. For example, a business event automates the creation of warranty contracts each time a shipment with warranty items is confirmed. The system monitors the relevant data and triggers workflow steps, such as adding serial numbers to contracts for easy tracking and reporting without manual work. Acumatica includes an entire suite of reports and interactive role-based dashboards. Using our Report Designer, you can tailor every layout, set up automated email delivery, and enable deep drill downs, empowering teams to view and act on their data from summary to transaction-level detail. Dashboards keep everyone connected to key performance indicators in real time. Edit transactions directly from the dashboard and configure widgets to display job-specific data. Go deeper with financial reporting. Analytical Report Manager comes with pre-built profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, and other financial reports. Easily update row and column sets to match your business's unique structure. Add captions, pull details from the right accounts, and reformat using simple drag-and-drop controls, no code required. Once you tailor your financial reports, take it even further by connecting the Analytical Report Manager to your everyday workflows with unified data in the familiar Microsoft Excel environment. Leverage inside Excel to transform static spreadsheets into live, interactive tools. Connected directly to your Acumatica instance, every cell pulls real-time, formula-driven data. Drill down to extract deeper insights. Then simply refresh to instantly see your updates reflected in your Acumatica solution. Discover why Acumatica customers love Acumatica's intuitive and robust reporting and analytics tools.
AFF Group is a textile manufacturing and distribution company that does 3 types of products: vinyls, foam, and laminated goods, and all primarily in the seating segment. So if you sit on a seat, whether it's an office seat, a golf cart, or a car, that's our type of product.
What they've been able to do is build dashboards and reports that we find useful that may be unique to us.
I was able to take basically what we call the mess and create a good reporting package for each of our departments to really analyze where we're at, where we're going, and to really strategize our growth.
Being able to make the right decisions at the right time really does come down to having the right data, and that's what we have with Acumatica.
Join the Acumatica community that is streamlining operations, unlocking insights, and making smarter decisions every day. Schedule your personalized demonstration today.